Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Holden Captiva 7 active, stock reference number 4454. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight, right hand fog light. It's got a tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the rear seats in leather with headrest. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.